Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Tuesday, December 28th. First up, I want to remind you that our 8th annual UFO Club begins on Saturday. The shop will not be open on Saturday because it is the first, but you can register your projects online starting on Saturday. If you're not aware of our UFO Club, UFO means unfinished objects, which pretty much everybody has laying around somewhere in the darker corners of their sewing areas. And the UFO Club gives you a free opportunity to get discounts on everything that you need to finish your projects. And you can also compete with other UFO Club members for gift card prizes. And this year, we're actually doubling our gift card prizes. So the winner of the UFO Club this year will receive a $100 gift card to Cary Quilting Company. And then I think second and third is 75 and 50. So definitely worth playing along. Like I said, you get discounts on everything you need to finish your quilts, including long arm quilting and binding services, which never go on sale, only just this one time each year. So I will link to our UFO Club details in the description of the video, and it is a free club to join. We just want to motivate you to get your unfinished things done so that you can start new things guilt-free. Next up, we have From the Heart. This is a very adorable, adorable piece of fabric, and I just bought this one from this collection. And let me just read to you the description. We always love it when we get new fabrics featuring children's author Anita Jeram's whimsical animals. And this print features so many of the animals at once, including dogs, cats, pigs, rabbits, and foxes. Animal scenes are approximately 3 inches square with an approximate 12-inch repeat. If you are aware of the children's book, Guess How Much I Love You, which was my absolute favorite children's book, this is the same illustrator as in that book. And I think that these would be really fun for fabric postcards to send to friends or whatever occasions come up in these little squares. So I will find a free fabric postcard pattern for you and also link it in the description of the video. Next up, we have a large collection of fabric here. We have 24 bolts of painted patchwork. And let me just go ahead and start showing you this one. I love the way this painting looks watercolory, and then you get these little sharper images like the little flowers and the butterflies. So let me read you this one. This is Sue Zipkin's Watercolor Florals, Patchwork Prints, and Coordinated Geometrics to Brighten Up Any Winter's Day by Clothworks. I just love, love these. And the nice thing about these, we always try to stack them according to patterns. So you see all of the colorways for each pattern at one time. And there are not a whole lot of pattern repeats in this. So you get a lot of options for pattern within this 24 bolt line. I really like these. I think these can be used, obviously in a lot of places, regardless of this particular fabric line. Ooh, love that color. You have just a few days to finish any quilts that you've started for my Otter Challenge. The Otter Challenge quilts are due on Friday, and we have 4 quilts in now. We had one come in yesterday, so we have 4 quilts currently in. So each of those ladies has a 1 in 4 chance to win a weekend stay at the retreat at Lake Gaston. So it's a very exciting prize to win for that particular challenge here in the shop. So I will also link the information for that. And you only have today and tomorrow left to participate in our birthday celebration. Tomorrow is Roberta's birthday, and she is the final birthday of our 5 birthdays this month. So if you come in today or tomorrow, or place online orders today or tomorrow, you will automatically get a discount or a free fat quarter. The discount is good for 1 item in your order. Oh, look at that, with all that nice detail. And the discounts range from 5% to 70%. This was a big year for birthdays for both Roberta and me. So a couple of those ping pong balls in there have my face and 50 on them and Roberta's face and 70 on them. So a few lucky people have gotten a 70% discount on something that they've purchased in the past week or so. Oh, I love that. That's such nice detail. Look how tiny those are. Yeah, that's a pretty background color too. It's kind of a vanilla with a little bit of green in it almost. And then these are really fun pieces on this collection. Let me unhook that and show you. They're already patchworked for you. So that could be a really nice backing to give your quilt almost a double-sided feel.
Faker quilt.
Or a faker quilt, says Susan, also known as a cheater quilt. And then we have that same print in the blues, greens, and purples. Very nice. And two more for you. Very pretty with those circular roses. That's really nice. And then that same print in the warm tones. So there you have it. Today's fabrics, again, are From the Heart and Painted Patchwork. I hope that you saw something that you liked here today, and you can either come into the shop and visit us, order online, or you can also order for curbside pickup. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.